Alright, so I'm going to try and see. I'm going to solder these two things together. Bond them together. Twist them. Right, just like so. So they're twisted together. I've got some solder here, or flux paste. Right. That's what I'm going to put on it. Fair bit of it. A soldering iron. Clean it off. It's probably covered in junk. Give some solder on it. See, solder just wants to bond with whatever's available. In this case, it's all that flux that I put on there. See, the underside isn't bonded, but top side is. Really wish this would focus better. There we go. If I try to pull it apart, no budge. Of course, I could have done that better, because you see on that side it's not really done, but yeah, there's no budging. There's no pulling that apart now.